We, as humans, cause 98% of accidents. This sound connects you to life. The worst thing that can happen to you during an accident is being ejected from the car, or being tossed about inside the car from one place to the other, freely and without any control. There is a simple mechanism in the car that can connect you to life. The decision is yours. You either connect yourself to life in 3 seconds or take the risk of being unprotected. Let's now look at this accident, which takes place at a speed of 45 kilometers per hour. Everybody is sitting in the right place and in the right position. Because their seatbelts are fastened, their chances are quite high. But there is one victim amongst them who pays the high price for being in the wrong place. When a vehicle at 45 kilometers per hour hits an obstacle, it stops in an extraordinary way. The human body, muscle and bone structure cannot resist this super impact. Those who are unbelted will continue to travel at the same speed. The force that the driver will encounter is exactly 6 tons. The back seat seems to be the safest place. Then let's have a look at this. In such a collision, the weight of a 25-kilo child while being pushed forward would be the same as a baby elephant's. The child is hit with a force equivalent to falling from a 3rd-story building. An unbuckled adult passenger in the back seat may cause fatal injuries to himself and those sitting in the front. Be sure that everyone in the car is sitting in the right place and in the right way. Otherwise, the results will truly be tragic. Live and let live. The choice is yours. Seatbelts connect you to life. Stay connected to life.